He's gonna trip one of you. This was almost a cool unit until I saw the Raiders on it. There's only one Jeebus I haven't beat at air auction yet. These guys are horse playing right here. They're gonna get us kicked out of Fuddruckers.
Probably dropped down.
Yeah, like at least 8 or 10.
No, not that low. Probably 12.
Barbie
Really
fashion.
happy if it dropped down to 8. Dropped down to 8.
Scooby-Doo.
I'm talking about first
Come on. Ooh. What is this? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, here we are at another exciting episode of the Storage Auction Pirate. We are at the auctions today, public storage, huge run, and we have our special guests, the Jeebus family. Today we are buying, we'll be at the auctions all day, so you'll get a good scoop on what we're gonna do. And before we continue with the auctions, don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to share this video. Whatever it takes to share it. I'm open like with the old commercial used to go for Pacific Bell. Reach out, reach out, reach out and touch someone. Just do it. And say something beautiful like, oh, the weather's nice out there. Or, I love the Jeebus family. Or, Mike, your little glasses with the hearts are just adorable. Whatever, say something below in the comments. With that being said, let's continue. Amber and Jeebus. Yeah. Do you guys remember this elevator right here?
It's our favorite one.
It's your favorite one? What happened last time?
This is the most memorable experience in California. About 50 people shoved in an elevator. The brightest idea we had that whole class.
Yeah. Way over.
Think it's gonna happen again?
I hope so. My fingers are crossed.
Yeah. We're about to find out. I need to ask you a question. I already got their opinion, but do you remember this elevator ride we took last time?
Go back to my hair real quick. Why are you sticking out so far?
I don't know. You didn't comb it?
Alright, what? No, what are we doing?
Well, I was gonna ask you, what do you have to say about that elevator ride we took last night?
It's not, I'm taking the stairs.
And that's what you're gonna do this time? You don't feel like getting in the elevator? Are you being
Yeah.
Alright. I'll hold your hand if you want. Give you a hug over in the elevator, no?
I ain't gonna make the elevator work any better.
I know, but it'll make you not scared.
No.
Right. Ask them, Aziz, don't be shy.
Alright, Jeebus, now we're gonna see Aziz.
2 auctions down, nothing but junk so far, slightly overpriced. On with the flashback to that time Jeebus and Jeremy stuck me with the unit. Look at all that personal paperwork. All right, saving the best for last. Paris, leash, color. Okay.
Wait, I'm not betting $10 though. I'll go $5.
7.
7? I only have one.
You brought like
Alright,
today.
$5.
What are you thinking?
Done, because I'm going home.
No, I see him. I'm not doing it.
Wait, where are you racing all the way to?
Watch out for Justin, he's gonna trip one of you. See how he purposely ran by the door so he couldn't get by? You see that? Double or nothing.
Double or nothing. Come on.
Come on.
What, 3?
Alex cheated running near the car.
Go.
They need a nap now, both of them. I didn't record that either, by the way.
Imagine the breathing down there.
You guys are exuding a lot of hot air right now. Okay, let's do a push-up contest. No, I did. I won the last push-up contest. JW, you make your first video yet?
Not yet.
What's the holdup?
I'm just working too much.
That's when you film. You film the work. All the cool stuff you do.
It's hard to work when you're holding a camera and stuff.
I've been doing it for years. You have like 9 guys working for you. I don't find that true.
No, I gotta be in the trenches with them. You can't just point.
You take it all back to your warehouse and you film there. This is gonna go for like 500 too much. They want a metal detector.
Just wave over the top and say, "Is that gold?"
It's a nice lock right there for your trailer. Don't you have one of those?
I don't have one of those.
I'm always turned off when they buy their tools at Harbor Freight.
Like they got a generator in there and a fucking pressure washer. Not this.
Got 650? 7?
Yeah, there's no order here. Remember the day when we used to have lines?
Yeah. I was standing there.
I wasn't talking about you.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But what, look at the race car seat. What else? Whoa. What's that in the back? On the other side of the seat.
I can't.
It's all right, man.
M-I-C. See you later. K-E-Y. Why? Because we love you. M-O-U-S-E. Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck. Almost like a living, huh? You see how like you gotta like.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. I don't like the magic.
Very sweet, Chris. Oh, look at Mickey Mouse. This was almost a cool unit until I saw the Raiders helmet. And then that's the whole value.
Raider helmet shirts.
Is that a good enough mattress for the pin? I'm still trying to find her one.
Las Vegas on it with Sharpie.
Toilet paper unit, DJ unit.
I was in Vegas.
Simple one.
Just want the helmet to fuck with. There's a lot of work.
Alex Burger dwarfs my burger. What kind did you get, Alex? Can I get a close up of that? Is that an egg in there? Mm-hmm. Look at that. That's like a breakfast hamburger lunch dinner thing. About to show Grandpa Jeebus how you play air hockey. I warned her she didn't want to play me at air
That
hockey.
sucked. Nobody played air hockey.
Come on, baby girl. You gotta live up the family name here.
No.
Oh, baby girl.
Let's get
I
another
just talked to you better. Win lizard doll over here. You know that when you play claw machines, if you let the time run out, the claw closes tighter than when you push the button? Yes, it does. I used to speak to the doll guys when they used to deliver them to learn the tricks. And when the time runs out, it'll clamp tighter. You need to come over this way. You need to get in more.
Nope.
This is a close game. It's already D-Hoss is 1, or Pirates 1, Jeebus 0. We'll keep up in the faction. You got change for it, Tony? There you go. Baby girl.
What's going on? I thought the Pirates were good at this.
You let them win.
I did.
I'm not cool with that.
Where'd it go?
Was it okay?
I'm still laughing that he did that.
Won't come out again.
Such a cheater. I would have never guessed he did that much.
Hey, you're the one that told me cheating.
He likes to win.
You gotta be ready for a shot.
Game point. Throw it. Oh my god. Okay. Game point.
Which one do you want? You gotta go for it. Come on, Dan, I'm gonna break you. Oh! Let's go.
Oh, baby girl, come on. This is not cool. Baby girl,
I'm sorry, Pirate.
this is over. You're lucky it wasn't me. You're
Stop it so vicious. I think you're yourself, right?
Nitwit. Good job.
getting all this.
Good job. Yes.
Hey, gave him a score.
No, I didn't.
You had one already? Wait. Oh, nice try.
Almost had him.
Let's say
She was talking that one.
1 to 3. Are you gonna play with him?
Kick it.
I already learned that trick.
It's like we're little cats following the laser. That's so cool.
He's punishing your hole.
I think this is revenge.
This is the only one in Brandon.
Ooh.
Have you recording this?
Punishing your hole.
I think we're showing you simple. No! None of that.
What do they call this thing? Air hockey champ.
He thinks he won. But as little as you know, he's actually a nitwit.
What does it say?
You can see it.
What does it say?
Look at that. It's just
Oh.
for you.
That's all right. I'm a nitwit who kicks ass at air hockey. There's only one Jeebus I haven't beat at air hockey yet. It was the worst. It was the worst bouncy ball throw I've ever seen. There it is. There's a horse playing right here. You're gonna get his kicked out. I'm trying to film Jeebus making a rubber bouncy ball bounce.
All right,
Shoot me
ready?
high.
See if we can get it all the way to the main road. We're doing good.
Oh, sorry, damn. Look at me like he's gonna get nothing.
Go get it, Alex. Try again.